Hi everybody, it's Peg, and today I am continuing on with my artist trading card a day for the month of June. It's a hashtag event that we've got going on, but in addition to that, I am also doing Refreshing Summertime Art. This is a collaboration with Diana from Artfully Yours and Angela Green, and it's YouTube collaboration from Creative Arts Collaboration. And so I pulled out some summertime things. I have this cute little die from, let's see, Impression Obsession. It's got a bunch of drinks and things on it. I have my ATCs from Shannon Green. It's by Shannon Green, at Etsy, and that's her logo in case you're looking for her. But she has wonderful products on Etsy, so check her out. And I've been talking about her all month, so you know, don't get tired of listening to me. But I'm going to use these. I'm going to use these dies and create my ATC. And I've pulled out some stamps, and I've got some summertime things here. So the first thing I want to do is I've got these FW inks. And these are the pearlized ones. And I thought, well, I want to do something that looks a little summertime, green grass and water, that sort of thing. So I'm going to use some of these on my background. So that's where I'm starting from. Let me see if I can get you in here any closer. Storage cases, and in here I keep a lot of my collage type stamps, and I want something, this would be good, it's just whoops, wrong one, this polka dot. It's hard to be nostalgic when you can't remember anything. Oh, I like that. And Save the Earth, it's the only planet with chocolate and wine. I think it's going to be one of those. It kind of depends on the size. So let me get some tissue paper. It's the best thing to try it out on. Let's see what a red looks like on here. Trying to stay away from black. It is refreshing summertime, remember? So that's why I'm just using yeah, that looks pretty good. Okay. That was Archival Vermilion, and I'm heat setting that because I don't want that ink to spread. I'm going to use a wet brush, if I can get the paint off of it here. This is the brush I applied the paint with earlier, and I'm just going to make a line on here so I can tear that out. That's the easiest way to get your tissue ready for transfer. And I don't want an even square edge down here either. So I'm going to tear that back also, just so it blends in with the background a little bit better. Sometimes if you have a straight line, you can see that in your art piece a little bit. So, and this is kind of a rough surface. So I'm going to get some matte medium, if I can get it open. Okay. I'm just going to coat the surface where I'm going to apply the quote with that matte medium. And actually, I think I'm going to go over the rest of this too, because it'll help keep all those little pieces down and keep them from coming off. And then we'll put our quote on. Right there. And it will blend in to the background once that matte medium soaks through that layer of tissue. Smooth that out. Dry it again, and we will have the front side finished of our ATC. And then the only thing left is just the back side, which I have this artist trading card stamp. It is from Cat's Life Press. I'm not even sure if this is still available, but I know there are other companies that make this sort of thing. And I want my archival ink once again to go onto the back side. So let me grab that. Ink that up really well, because we're going to the back now. Make sure it's dry and free from other things, and then just set that on to the surface and do the image transfer. And there we have it, my artist trading card. And I can fill that in with a pen, and I can say refreshing summertime art. And put in the date and the number, and I now have an artist trading card. I hope you guys enjoyed this, and get outside, enjoy the summer, and then when you're inside, make some art. Thanks for Diana and Angela for this hop. Be sure and check below for the other people that are hopping along here. I'll have the links in the description box. Bye for now.